The following is brought to you by ILCOautomotive. With over 130 years of experience, ILCOautomotive leads the way in vehicle key duplication and programming for the automotive aftermarket. For more information, go to keyprogramming123.com.
Hi, I'm Donnie Seifer, Executive Officer for the National Automotive Service Task Force. NASTAF is your connection to the automakers. So are you risking your customers' vehicles and safety by using tools and/or services that either send their data out of the country or into the hands of cyber criminals? Well, if you think that sounds like a Hollywood movie plot, it's not. It's real. Today, I'm asking you to consider if your business model is a short-term gain that results in a long-term loss. In 2006, NASTAF, several industry associations and automakers created the Secure Data Release Model, which creates a secure way for technicians who perform vehicle security related work to access key codes and immobilizer codes to complete repair procedures that require them, while ensuring that vehicle owners are aware of and in charge of the information for their car. More and more seemingly non-related repairs require access to the vehicle's bus. This can result in potential cyber or theft issues. The aftermarket is gaining an understanding that automakers must hold security information close and only share it with trusted sources. This is why the SDRM has become so important to technicians. The SDRM gives you the opportunity to demonstrate that you are a responsible technician or locksmith. In exchange, you can access this information any time of the day or night that a customer needs your help. With this capability, though, it's very important that you use information gathered from the registry responsibly and with the permission of the vehicle owner. There are many tools and services out there that sidestep these protections, and they may save you a little bit of time, which is time that you could bill for, right? Please consider these things. Does this tool phone home with the access that you give it? Do you know who the code broker is that you're sharing your customers' private information with? Would you give them your keys to your car? The things we learn through law enforcement contacts every day are right out of a Hollywood movie. We get it. You need to fix cars. But there's an industry-approved method. And who's going to argue with you about the decision to either share all their personal information and open their car up for theft to save $10 to $20? Every day you have to explain other services to customers. This one's no different. You want and you need access to these advanced vehicle security capabilities in the vehicles, and NASTAF can help you access that. For more information, visit nastf.org.
For more information on vehicle key code security, key programming, immobilizer tech tips, and more, go to keyprogramming123.com.